The Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Bill 2019 that was passed by the Lok Sabha on 5th August 2019 by a voice vote has the transgender community up in arms. Now, why is it that they oppose something that is sought to be done for their benefit? Well, they believe that some provisions of the bill is not in consonance with their requirements, and that is because they allege that the bill was drafted without taking inputs from them. Also, they're of the view that the bill got knocked down in the House without giving the opposition adequate opportunities to put forward their opinions. Besides, the focus on that day was the revocation of Article 370 in the Rajya Sabha, so the issue did not get enough attention. Now, the main concern of the community is that the bill does not grant them the right to determine their own gender, but instead they have to move to the district magistrate to get certified as a transgender before exercising their right to determine their own sex. But there too, there's a rider. Prior to applying for a certificate, the bill mandates them to secure a medical certificate from the Chief Medical Officer confirming that they're transgender. Also, if the district magistrate refuses to acknowledge the medical certificate, there is no room for further appeal or review. This, the transgender community believe, is in gross violation of the 2014 Nalsa Supreme Court verdict, which directed the central and the state governments to allow them to determine their gender irrespective of surgical or hormonal interventions. Secondly, they point to a discrimination when it comes to complaints of sexual assault, harassment, or bonded labor between members of their community and heterosexuals. While the punishment is stringent whenever a complaint is lodged under any of the listed offences by heterosexuals, the same offences carry only a maximum of 2 years of imprisonment and penalty when it comes to them. Pointing to Chapter 4 of the bill, which deals with the welfare measures to be undertaken by the government to rescue, protect and rehabilitate, the transgender question the definition of those terms. Moreover, the definition of the word family in the bill does not recognize Hijra households where they all feel protected and have a sense of belonging. The bill refers to family as a group of people related only by blood, marriage or adoption. They're also angry over the name change rule in the bill, which gives them the right to change only their first name in their birth certificates and not their last names. However, they want the right to change their last names as that denotes their caste. They also believe that the bill does not allow them to exercise their legal rights by way of proceeding against all levels of government functionaries, as the clause concerning that is vague and could be misinterpreted. Despite the bill having been passed by the Lok Sabha, the transgender community believes that the changes sought by it could be incorporated into the bill before it is put up for voting in the Rajya Sabha. For more such videos, subscribe to Federal's YouTube channel.